Silicon has a limit, and we just hit it. Meet the Phonon Laser. Instead of light, this laser uses sound-engineered crystal vibrations called phonons. That lets engineers pack 10 times more power into tiny devices. Imagine phones the size of credit cards and servers shrunk by orders of magnitude. Phonons can be focused into coherent beams, lasers made of sound, not light. This isn't lab curiosity, it's a path to real products. Who owns the patents will own the infrastructure for the next decade. Semiconductor giants and chip suppliers will see valuations rewritten almost overnight. We're talking about a potential trillion-dollar shift across the entire supply chain. That means faster product cycles, smaller form factors, and new device categories. If you build chips, invest, or design products, this changes your roadmap now. The chip wars just entered a new dimension. Don't get left behind. Follow the capital affair.